How to create Deepseek account. First open up the Deepseek app, and if you want to create a brand new account on a Deepseek app, so you need to simply first tap on the confirmation that I have read the terms and condition. Now you need to simply tap on the sign up. So you can also use the Google account. So I just want to create a separate Deepseek account. So for that you need to simply tap on the sign up. Now here you need to simply put some basic informations to create the Deepseek account. So first I want to put here the email address. Now you need to simply type your strong password for your creating a new Deepseek account. And once you put the password, so you need to simply confirm the password. Now first it asks the verification, so you need to simply tap on the send code, and Deepseek basically send you the 6-digit verification code to this email address. And once you confirm the email address, so you'll be enabled to get the sign in option. So now I want to tap on the send code, and it asks the human verification. So you need to simply first read the caption. So click on the smallest blue cylinder, so simply select this one. Now you can see the code is successfully sent to my email address. And now I want to first open up the email address to get the Deepseek code. And as you can see, I have received the verification code from the Deepseek right now, and you need to simply copy this code and you need to simply go back to the Deepseek account page. So now you need to simply paste the code, and then you need to simply tap on the sign up. So you can see successfully sign up, and as you can see, I have successfully created account on a Deepseek app by using my email address. So in this way you can easily create a Deepseek account. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video.